Oh, thank goodness, dude.
No ways. Yo.
Holy shit, dude. You wanna save again in the daytime?
Yeah.
We need to go back there because there was a
Ooh.
canoe with stuff, dude.
Yeah, I saw that, dude. What was that noise?
That's just me. I'm keeping you alert.
Can we cook something, or must I eat something like a?
No, we can cook. Yes, a whole lot of rotten fish. Look how you've wasted here.
Bro, that was from the last session. My bad.
Okay, let me make a fire, dude. Easy, bro.
Easy, bro.
Now, are we cooking together or?
Yeah, you can. I've only got one
I've
thing,
got
so.
some meat. It's fine. I'm gonna put money for flavor, bro. Here's one. Yeah. I was gonna get the seed on
I thought you, bro. Don't say yes one because you're.
that. Okay.
Yeah, I've got
It.
Vietnam flashbacks, bro.
This one is gonna get it, bro.
Get him, bro. Get
Rather
him.
him. Yeah,
Oh,
bro. You almost got
he's
our
too
meat,
quick.
yeah. Listen, don't eat my meat, bro. Please.
Yeah, eat. That's one yours. Why is my one taking so long to
Yo.
cook? Eat it, bro.
Yo. Yeah. I couldn't grab it.
This guy's burning his meat, bro. No. Nice.
Yes. Oh,
Oh, I'm on fire.
on fire. I don't know why I put human meat. I don't know why I have human body parts. I think you can use them as a. What's that?
What?
I think you can use it as a weapon. I don't know. Solar panels, batteries, and lights. I've got.
There's a cross in there, bro. It's not a good look. Jesus.
Oh, jeez, what the, bro? For heaven's sake, bro.
What?
These bats, they get me every time, dude.
Yeah, I know, dude. They bump at me as well.
Yeah, the day now, man. Freaking hell, bro. New location discovered. Entertainment bunker.
What?
Apparently we're in an entertainment bunker, bro.
Does that mean we get a breathing apparatus?
I don't know. I would feel entertained if we did. Savior. Looks like it goes in there. Oh,
Oh shit.
God, dude.
Run.
Oh, God, dude.
Run!
Wait, they won't come here. Okay. Will they?
I don't know.
I don't think they'll come in the water, bro. I'm gonna start sniping them, though, dude.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I mean. Just call me John, bro.
Yes, Siri.
John Rambo.
John Rambo. He's coming back up.
Hey, we need to make an explosive one here quickly and show this guy, bro.
Oh, he's right here, dude.
He's asking to get... Huh?
I've got a Molotov already. If I must throw.
How do I make the explosive?
Oh, arrow.
Well, I don't have enough arrows, bro. Bro, things went south so quick now, bro. They're not reproducing, I think they... Are we safe, bro?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm out of arrows now, bro.
You want some more?
No, you must shoot, bro.
Shit.
Look.
Bro,
Dude, that thing is full of arrows.
Yo, hold on, bro. Okay?
That thing is full of
Grab
arrows,
that
bro.
guy Molotov, dude.
Yeah.
Josie, hope you're doing good, hope you're doing well. Oh, Welshman just got stuck into Daisy fight, stuck in the police station. Oh, damn it, Welshman, that sucks, man. You hate to see it, man.
The guy's too far, bro.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna... You wanna run it? No, no. Get this
wait,
one
what?
here, bro. Yay! Is he coming? What are you doing, bro?
Oh!
Oh, whoa.
Are you
Bro, how do you throw, bro? How do you throw, dude?
I was trying,
No,
dude.
no, I
Leave me
can't
alone.
count on you in dire situations, bro.
Wait. I'll get another one.
I know that I can't count on you in dire situations, bro. Oh, he's gonna die. Yeah. Yay! Here it comes, bro.
Get him, bro.
Oh. I hit him one time. I'm gonna die. I gotta step back, dude. I gotta step back. I'm almost there, dude.
Oh, I
I'm
don't have a spear, bro.
Yeah, it's fine. What do you mean? Yeah, take this one. Take this one. Hold on. Yeah. Take this one here on the floor.
Shoot him, bro.
Yes, bro. I'm a little bit scared, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, even me. Wait. Wait.
Bro, why can't I hit this guy, bro?
Yeah, I hit him once. Ooh. There we go, there we
Yeah,
go.
he's dead.
There's still that other one, though.
What happened?
There's one here. There's another one.
Yeah, this game is pretty cool. It gets intense, and also if you're playing with somebody that's weighing you down the whole time, then it's a bit more of a struggle.
Yes, I'm gonna throw the spear in your... Yeah.
Grab stuff from the other dead one. Bro.
Yeah, I did. You must grab there, bro.
You want the armor?
No, you take it, bro. You're the one who's always dying.
Oh, what you mean?
Every 5 seconds I have to pick you up, bro. Now watch, I'm gonna
putting my
die.
body on the line, bro. Somebody has to put their body on the line, bro.
Where's this other one now? Oh, I'm dead. Oh, you got me again.
I think it was me, dude. I think it was me.
There's two of them. There's two of them.
This guy ran and left me.
Bro, what are you? How are you still alive?
Bro, yeah, I've got skills for survival, bro.
Where is it, bro?
I don't know, dude. It ran off. Did I kill it?
I don't see a body, bro.
alive.
I can
Hey.
hear it. Oh, I can hear it.
Training at it.
See her to the left.
Almost dead, I think. Yeah, this one is a female, bro. This one is a. This one's a lady one. Get it! Go away. I'm wasting my torch too much.
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Yeah, there, on your left. Bro, I'm very thirsty. Let me have a snack attack, bro. Wait, I'm gonna throw a... I'm gonna throw a thing at this guy. Molotov.
I swear there's two, bro.
You think so? Hey!
No!
No, bro! Hit it, bro! I don't have my weapon, bro!
Run, bro, run!
Yeah!
Sus.
Dead. Go. Dude, I didn't have my weapon. It waited for the opportune moment. Dude.
Yeah, you, bro. Where's toggle crouch? Where's toggle crouch?
We got problems, dude!
Oh, shit! I'm dead.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I'm down, bro.
I can't see it, dude. It's still at large, bud.
Oh, shit!
I don't know where it is, bro.
Come this way. Where's the rocks?
I missed. I don't know, dude. Run, bro.
Oh, I'm stuck! Oh, I can hear
it's
it.
your problem, bro.
Oh!
I stabbed him in the face. If he comes here, we stab him, bro.
Yo, I left you, bro. Dude, I still didn't find toggle crouch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yay! Get it, dude. You almost stabbed you in the left. Oh,
Don't die! Don't die! Don't die! Oh,
I'm done.
shit.
Zeusy, catch you later.
Okay, it ran away, but it ran. Oh, run! I'm down, run, I'm down!
I'm trying, bro.
Run away!
You gotta run, bro.
Which way, bro? Which way? Towards you! Oh, it's behind you. It's right behind you. Oh, hey! Your turn and wait for me, bro. Hey!
Where is it now?
There.
Yeah.
Hey, why is it going for me?
You're one to you guys.
Yo, dude.
Yo, come to the light, you fool.
Ah, yo, this thing murdered me now.
Go.
We're trying.
Where is it? Yeah.
I don't know. Where's it? Oh, there. Booty.
Don't let him out the corner. Yeah. Holy shit. Something.
Yeah, so.
Freaking saw me, dude.
I'm stuck.
Oh my god!
Oh shit! There's a bigger one.
What do you mean?
There's a bigger one there. It's coming.
Run, dude.
I'm gone.
Run,
I'm
dude.
gone.
Run. Are you running or no?
Yeah, I am. I'm on you like whites on rice, bro. Don't stop.
Yesterday, where did it go, bro?
I don't know. I can't see. Oh my god! Jeez, like, bro, I'm out of stamina. I'm gonna die.
Run, bro.
Bro, I'm gonna die, bro. Hey, foot sick, man.
Yo, run, bro.
God, I'm stuck.
Run this way. Go back
Dude, I have no stamina left.
Yo. Run, dude.
Why is it going for me only, bro?
It goes to the woody one. Come on.
Yo, it got me, bro.
Got you.
Yeah, dude, I have no stamina. Oh shit.
It's after me now. I don't know. No, it's still after you, bro. Come back here.
Yo, dude,
Yeah.
you got. I can't wait for you to see my recording of what just happened, dude.
Where is it, bro? Oh, yeah.
It's there on the left.
I just heard you scream when you turned around.
Dude, I turned around and turned my lights on, and it was like here, just like next to my face. Jesus. Okay.
Come to the light, dude. Come to the light. Get it now. Okay.
Enough! Oh, yes!
Dead.
I'm down, bro.
Oh, of course, yeah, I got it, dude.
Yeah, nice.
The spears that if you read panic as well, bro.
I'm gone, bro. I'm gone.
Yo!
Yo, I can't get up. I want to get up. I'm dead.
Run, bro! Where's it?
Where's it? Jesus, I just heard noises behind me now, bro.
No, it was on you, dude.
It's there. Yo!
Yor!
Why is it going for me?
Careful.
Watch out. Yo.
You must, when it's finished heating, then you hit it.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Get him, bro. Get him. Where is he? Yeah. Quick. Yeah. Yo, bro, it hit me.
Hit it now.
I'm down, dude. I'm down.
It's dead.
I'm
Got
down.
it. Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna take some pills now, dude, because I keep going down too often.
Yeah, but take his skin, dude, because his skin give you armor as well then. Right. Intense. My neck.
I think we need to book a masseuse, bro, after this. Yo.
If you think I'm moving on without you, I'm gonna another story.
You can use me as bait as that well.
Yes, I blocked, but it could still move my armor off, dude. Come again there, come again. Oh shit, hold on. I wasn't ready.
He came, bro.
Where's
Hey,
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
it jumped over me, bro. This one is something else, bro. This one's on
no,
that
this
shit,
one,
dude.
this one is on roids, bro.
This one is...
Hey!
This one... Where is it, bro?
Yeah.
Yes, I can't see this bloody thing. There's two, I think.
Yo, bro. No, there's one. There's one. I think.
Bro, it's moving so quick. I think there's two, dude.
Yes, dude, this oak has got some legs on him. Hey!
Bro, he is... I'm gonna pull this one.
Bro, he's body fighting me like a mother. Get him! Get him!
Oh shit, sorry, dude.
No, I think you didn't hit me, dude. Yo!
Come here, you swine.
So it's like Mike Tyson, bro.
He just won't go down. Where the hell is he?
Yeah.
Where is he?
I got him.
Yes.
Swine. Yes, sis.
Yes, bro. We're in 12 rounds with that one.
Dude. Yes, I've got so much armor. I didn't even notice.
You must put it on, bro.
Bro, I didn't even know.
Shit.
Yes, shoots, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Yes.
Gonna get us killed with that dog bot.
It's not even my dog, bro.
Hey, Ricky B, what's happening? Oh,
There's a small one here, bro.
yeah, I see it. Ricky B, I hope you're doing good.
Yes.
Yeah, chill. I'm doing good. Yeah, I'm doing good. What's that? Just dead. Before they grow, dude, you know what I mean? Before they grow, dude.
Yeah. Can't be having that.
No, this is a different one. Taking us to our death.
Yeah, most likely, bro. red light down there.
Drove there, dude.
There's a look in there. There was something like massive there, dude.
Not going there, bro.
Something there, bro. Dude, there's a massive shark there.
Bro, we're gonna eat it.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I don't see any monsters, dude.
I wouldn't be blooming around here if I was a monster, bro.
Oh, we can eat it. We're gonna eat, bro.
Must I shoot it, bro?
No, use our spears. Lovely little lemon.
Shark fin soup, bro.
We're gonna eat that shit. Drinks it, bro.
Bro, I didn't actually know what it was.
Ah, I picked up
Dude,
some
what is this?
else,
I think I
Rebreather,
picked up a
dude.
breathing. Yeah.
Yeah, we got a rebreather.
Does that mean we have to
Finally.
go where the shark is, bro? That's nuts.
Ah, we're gonna stab that shark from here, bro. We can harpoon that thing, man,
With what?
with our spears. Oh, I'm surely it's gonna come closer and we can just grab that.
Okay, let me watch you die,
Turn around
quickly.
a little bit. Oh, we can drink it.
Oh, here it comes, bro.
Went under, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Get it, bro. Get it.
Don't push me, bro. I don't know. I don't
Did
know how we're gonna do this. Mate, we'll never outswim that thing.
Never, bro. Can't we shoot it with an arrow, bro?
No, I think it's gonna take a lot of them. We may as well.
I can shoot it with a gun, bro. Because I have a
How
gun.
much ammo do you have for that? Yeah, shoot it, bro, because I've also got some ammo, so if you run out, I'll give you mine. Because I gave my gun to that lady, bro, Felicia, bro.
Felicia, bro. I don't know where my ammo is. Stun gun ammo? 9mm ammo. I got 29. I got 2 boxes.
Okay, yeah, this is just need a soft cover because this bag, when you open this bag, man. Right. This thing needs to see,
Must I shoot it, bro? It's here.
yeah, shoot it. Must I light it for you?
No, I can
Do you
see
see
it.
it? One shot.
No, it's still going, bro. Is that it dead? I think it's dead, bro.
I think it's dead, dude. Look.
Yeah, it's...
It's gonna come back up and then we're gonna eat, bud. If you think for 1 minute I'm jumping in that water after that, you
Yeah, I
know
know.
I must be mad.
I don't know if I'm keen, dude.
I'm not that hungry, bro.
But what if we have to go down there now with the rebreather?
We are gonna have to. So I think, what do you reckon, bro? Should we, hold on, let me save ya. And then also, do you reckon we go down that hole or do we go in the water first?
Yes, I don't know, bro. Oh, does it? Oh yeah, check now.
Yeah, see, you don't even need. What do you think, bro?
Come on, bro, go get it! Okay.
What do you
Yeah,
think?
dude. I'm ready to go to the bottom and see what's there, bro. Dude, there's something else.
Okay,
What is that?
what?
Oh no, never
Wait.
mind, never mind, never mind.
Yes, bro.
Do I have to put it on now? Put it on again.
No, I think it just does it by itself, dude. I haven't even equipped it. It just automatically. It's like on your back. If I look at you, it's on your back constantly.
Yeah, it looks like you busy sucking through it right now, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, I'm gonna go, bro. I'm gonna go. Okay.
Okay, oh wait, I'll follow. I'm coming. Let's go. Huh? Yeah, you muffled. I can kind of hear you. Dude, if I see a shark now, I'm gonna shit in my pants.
It's a matter of who can fastest, like.
I'll kick you in the leg, bro. Yeah, you go first. It's fine. Whoa! Why is it so light? Oh, bro!
Not here now.
We just swam outside.
Oh, bro.
Oh shit! Do I swim
Okay,
back?
well, I think it's underneath there. Or do you want to go through there? Because the cave entrance is there.
Alright. But what's... Okay, yeah.
Because then we don't waste the oxygen.
Yeah.
I'm scared we get... Because there's sharks here in the water as well.